It's my room. Fridge. Mic.
A mic. Is that open mic night that you were talking about?
Yeah. Computer. Homework. Bed.
Bed.
Kitchen.
Oh, kitchen. Dinette.
Our kitchen, yeah.
Oh, the kitchen area.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And then that's about, oh, our bedrooms.
Oh, the bedrooms. And the dressing room.
Yeah. Entertainment center.
Oh, I'm gonna trip. I'm getting dizzy. Nothing else?
No.
Nothing else to highlight here?
It's not that big.
Really not that.
Oh yeah, there. Look, what's that up on there? You don't have anything up there? Oh my gosh. And your tree. Oh yeah, your tree.
Our tree. Hey, where's our plant? Our unicellular dinoflagellate algae.
Oh, you got algae somewhere?
Oh no. It like died in the first couple days we had it.
Oh man, what is it?
I don't know. Here, give us some water.
That's a good thing.
We want
You could have probably considered that about a month ago.
Actually, I think that was the problem. We watered it too much or something.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. That's what we said too. It's gonna come back.
Okay, well, then this is the grand tour. My gosh.
That's all, folks.